Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another LookFantastic unbox for you, and I'm gonna tell you, I think they forgot about me. So usually my box gets shipped around the 4th or 5th, right, when I get the shipping confirmation. And this month, we are still, hold on, September 22nd. So in September I didn't get it, and I kind of gave them the benefit of the doubt, right? Maybe they forgot to send the shipping mail, or maybe I deleted the mail and I didn't realize it was that, whatever. Then on the 17th I actually texted a customer service like, hey, do you know where my box is? Because it's already 17, I still haven't received it. And I got the standard answer of boxes will be shipped once the contents are available. Turns out 2 days later my box was shipped, and 4 days after contacting customer service I have the box. I think they forgot me. I think they forgot to send my box. But anyways, here it is. Let's open it up. You already heard the message inside. Yeah, let's go. We got the QR code, so that's nice. And then the box itself. Wow, there's a shadow in here. Please don't be shadowed. Oh my god, it's not shadowed. Have you seen my my swatch video of the Joker palette and my palette bingo video? I got 60 new shadows. Here's a new one. Oh no, I'm currently using this one as well. Oh, it's another column. So anyways, let's open up the QR code thing, and then we will see. So the pamphlet. Hello? There's no pamphlet anymore? What? You only get this page. What's inside the beauty box? And with the products here. Are you serious? There's no pamphlet anymore? I don't know what to say anymore. So first product is the either or, so you either get the Benefit mascara, which I don't have, or you get the Natasha I Need a Nude eyeshadow in the shade Muse. This is what that one looks like. I'll zoom in. After buying a new shimmer shadow, and after buying a whole palette, I got another shimmer shadow. So this is Muse. Oh my god. Yes. That is from the palette I Need a Nude, which looks like this. Frankly, that palette looks like it's rather melly, so given the fact that this one is not that great, and I will do a how will this video on it right after this, because spoiler, if those of you can see the pan here, then I tried these two out. I have this one on my list right now. I don't really like the way that looks. This one already is barely there anymore. It's almost empty. I don't like these two. I said it in the palette video. If there are shadows in here that I like, I will take them out and repress them into Colourpop pans, and then put those pans into my lethal palette. Because I don't know, like, I'm very disappointed in this palette. So anyways, I can add another shadow. So you can see it's very shimmery even in the pan. It's the first time I'm seeing a single Natasha Denona shadow. I'm excited. And it's called Muse. If you know me, you know. If you know, you know. Without blending you. Like this maybe? This is worth £10. Discover your next go-to metallic shade from the best-selling I Need a Nude eyeshadow palette. The perfect introduction to creamy, pigmented formulas from the world of Natasha Denona. Gorgeous. Oh my god, that's actually beautiful. I need to write that down. I have one new shadow. I have so much stuff already on here. Can you see the new shadows? The list is ever growing. Yeah. Okay, so the first product I'm actually super excited about. Then up next we have the lip liner. This is what I thought I already have, but it just looks the same. So I have the Delilah pen liner, like the cold pencil thing. And this is the lip liner in Pout. Oh, that's actually beautiful. I would actually, you know what? Let's do it. Why not? I'm usually someone who just put it all over the lips. It's giving my lips are better. I actually really like that. I think that looks nice. So you can see the color there. Where's it? There. This is what? £20? Wow. The ultra creamy, super soft texture of this nude pink liner smoothly glides across the lips, revealing a richly pigmented tray of long-lasting color. The Deluxe 2-in-1 pencil features a convenient sharpener, allowing you to top your pout on the go. Probably here in the back. Yes. I don't need to sharpen it, but if you do need to, it's here in the back. 2 out of 2 products that I actually like. Okay. Oh, this is also, I don't know, you know what? Just call this kiss proof as well. Now I'm sad because this does not look the same as it does here. You can see it has a pump. This does not. So this is a body lotion by Aspire with bergamot and jasmine. Oh my god. Oh, that smells really nice. Thing is, I don't like these bottles because I don't know, I just find it hard to get product out, but maybe I'll be surprised and it's actually easy. This is 75 milliliters. So this is worth £10. Formulated to nourish and soften your body, this lightweight body lotion contains a blend of pure essential oils to leave behind a luxurious scent of bergamot and jasmine. Then we have the Nuco Skin Filter Serum with phytoretinol. Brightens and evens, apparently. I don't know, I haven't tried that yet. I currently don't have a serum, so I might try to use that after this video and you know, the next How Will This video. I will try that out. Oh, I can't smell it because it's sealed. Apply to clean, dry skin after cleansing, following with moisturizer. So it's like a daily serum that you can use. You know, it's not like one of those like acid, whatever acid toners there is, where you should only use it once a week or twice a week. I think you can actually use this daily. This is worth £10. A gentle alternative to using retinol, this is serum packed with plant-based extracts to help smooth, finalize, and brighten the appearance of your skin tone. Phytoretinols, bakuchiol, and rambutan help to smooth and refine, while AHAs help to brighten and even. Hyaluronic acid hydrates and plumps. Alright, second last product already. We have the Peter Thomas Roth Firm X Peeling Gel. Visibly exfoliates by rolling, lifting, and sweeping away impurities. What? Apply a generous amount on clean, dry skin. Gently massage in circular motion to visibly exfoliate. Rinse well with water. I'm sorry, but Peter Thomas Roth, they always have the most, I don't want to say the most innovative products, because I'm sure a lot of brands have some fun things to play with and, you know, to be blown away. Because what do you mean you put this on and then you can actually see? That's insane. I will link the video of the under eye firming thing in the card, also by Peter Thomas Roth. Like, you can actually see how the skin tightens and how the fine lines disappear. You can see that on video. It's just mind-boggling to me. So I will try that out on video, and it's gonna be maybe a bit embarrassing and awkward because, you know, you can see all the dead skin and impurities and whatever. But I'm intrigued. I'm very intrigued. This is worth £12. This powerful formula harnesses a trio of multi-action enzymes: pineapple, pomegranate, and keratinase, which activate when massaged into the complexion, help to effectively buff dead skin cells that clog pores and cause dryness. Glycerin and hyaluronic acid maximize hydration levels to help target dryness and rough patches. I feel like this will be a once in a week thing, hopefully. And also this has hyaluronic acid again. This has hyaluronic acid in. I try to not use them together because my skin will not like that. Alright, then last but not least, already at the end, is the Umberto Giannini. It's the Italian coming out. Scalp Scrub. I think we had that before. But in a top. Not in a squeezy bottle. Exfoliating scalp treatment with coconut oil and vitamin E for dry, sensitive scalps. Yeah, it's the same thing. Can you see these bits and pieces there? They really exfoliate your scalp. Oh my god. Very, very intense. So I currently have a cleansing shampoo that I use twice a month. The one that is empty, I will use this one. Actually, you know what? This box is not that bad. Yes, it arrived very late, but it's not that bad. This is worth $3.95 only? Okay. This anti-dandruff treatment is powered by natural exfoliants, helping to create the optimal foundation for comfortable, healthy-looking locks. Enhanced with a source of phytonutrients, the vegan formula helps to combat excess oil, dryness, and breakage. Pineapple enzymes boast a variety of benefits, striving to boost shine and softness. This is the one that we had. See the top? That is everything. It's everything. Like, I cannot even tell you what else is in the leaflet or the pamphlet. There's nothing else. Do you remember those good old days where you had the actual beauty box and the UKL with it? Good times. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you tried any of these products. Now the shadow would be, I mean, if you have the palette, the whole palette, let me know what you think about the shadow. And the rest, let me know if you had any of these products. I'm curious about this, so I will definitely do a video on that, and then the rest I will just use as soon as I have used up some other things, you know, like my body lotion. I need to use that one up first. I need to use up the scalp thing first. We'll get there. This I will actually use now once I take the makeup off. So yeah, let me know what you think. I'm not that mad at it. For once, you know, we got two makeup items. That's more than, what, last 2 boxes combined. Anyways, if you enjoyed this video, let me just put everything down. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you next one.